Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. And guys, today I'll be sharing a very quick, short and sweet video with you guys of these very unique, premium looking earphones which are priced under £15. Yes guys, these are the LUDOS Clamor wired earphones. Now guys, I know a lot of us just love the idea of having true wireless Bluetooth earbuds, which are so convenient and very popular nowadays. However guys, just hear me out. I have had these for a couple of months now. I've played with them, I've used them, and to be honest, I still use a pair of these on a daily basis whilst I'm editing my videos, playing a game or two on my laptop, and so on. Do let me know in the comments below whether you guys use wireless Bluetooth earbuds or prefer to use wired earphones. You guys may or may have not seen videos on these before. I have had these for a couple of months now, and guys, I think it's about time I share a very quick video on these with you guys, and I do have a bunch of these to give away too, so keep watching and I'll share more on the giveaway towards the end of the video. So here we have it guys, the LUDOS Clamor Memory Foam earphones with incredible value, decent sound and a very beautiful construction build for a very low price. So here in front of me I have 11 different colours, and guys, personally I've found it hard to choose a particular favourite as they all look so fantastic. They are very uniquely designed, affordably priced, and guys have some inline controls, enhanced bass and a built-in microphone. They come nicely presented in this very nice metal case, a very nice cute little pouch which is made of nice fabricy material. And guys, we have some spare silicone ear tips which are more suitable for sporty activities and tend to be more sweat and splash proof, whereas memory foam is more suitable for long periods of use, blocking out noise, for example whilst you're studying in the library, listening to music, playing games in your own time and space. And guys, as most of you would agree, we usually only find memory foam ear tips on the more expensive premium branded products, and here we have them on earphones that are priced at around £13. I have left the link for these in the description box below, just in case you guys want to grab one or two or check these out in more detail. The memory foam ear tips provide a very snug in-ear fit, and they do expand in the ear, giving us some very good noise isolation. As for audio and music playback guys, we have some very clear and decent bass level. The microphone quality when making or receiving calls is excellent. A LUDOS emblem sticker here, and here we have the LUDOS branding. So as you can see, the ear tips match the colour of the pouch. And guys, this is what I like about these earphones. But not only do they come with memory foam ear tips, this nice tangle-free braided cable is so convenient. I've not experienced any knots or tangles whilst using this. Here we have the inline music control. We have the left and right keys and the built-in microphone. These are very beautifully designed, very attractive, premium looking earphones for a very budget price. £13 guys, you really can't go wrong with that. I have left the links for these in the description box below, and personally I have found them to be better than so many wireless or wired earphones and earbuds I have used or even reviewed on the channel. And personally guys, I feel these are good enough for a great gift. They're nice in quality, presented really well, and guys, they're selling for peanuts, literally. These wired earphones come with the 3.5mm plug, hence the lower price in comparison to wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Now guys, bear in mind, many devices still come with the headphone or audio jack, including the iPhones, the PlayStation, some very decent premium MP3 players, computers, laptops, smartphones, etc. I myself use these on a very regular basis when editing videos, playing games, etc. on my MacBook Air. Personally, I find these way more convenient than the typical true wireless Bluetooth earbuds. There's no need for batteries. Pairing is very simple and straightforward. There is no latency issue either. It's a quick sync, and guys, there's no inconvenience of losing power. So yes, we save power. And guys, we have a wide frequency response range of 20 to 20,000 hertz. These earphones feel and look premium. The body is of aluminium alloy. They're sturdy and strong. The wire has braided texture, it's durable and resistant to tearing, unlike the typical rubbered wires. Personally, I found the styling very similar to the One More earphones I reviewed on the channel. I have left the link for that video in the description box below. Honestly guys, I've found the LUDOS Clamor earphones to sound better than many of the true wireless earbuds, which sell for around £100 plus. The clarity with the mids and the punchy bass is impressive. Great styling, juicy candy colours. These are probably the best wired earphones I've ever used for under £14, especially when compared to some of the wired earphones that are selling for around £70, £80, £90 plus. Guys, if you are someone who's primarily sitting in one place, gaming, listening to music, studying, then these are perfect for you. However, if you are someone who'll be using these whilst on the go, for example, walking, jogging, commuting, etc., you may find that the wire rubs or bounces off your clothes, causing a little bit of shuffle and noise, as do most other wired earphones. But personally guys, I've not found it to be super distracting or causing much inconvenience. So share your thoughts on these guys. What do you think of them? What do you think of the design, the colours? Which one's your favourite? And would you like to try these? Do let me know in the comment section below. Okay guys, so now let's talk about the giveaway. I'll be giving away 4 of these beautifully attractive looking earphones by LUDOS in the next 4 weeks. So we'll have 1 giveaway a week on my social media pages for the next 4 weeks. So yes guys, that means 4 of you lucky beauties can get your hands on these. If you want to stand a chance to win one of these, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. And yes guys, I will be checking all of this. I will be verifying. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Hit that bell icon above too. Stay active. Do comment on the video to let me know what you think of these and why you would like a pair and which is your favorite color. You need to be following me on all my social media pages. You need to be active. Be sure to share this video with your friends and family, adding 3 of your friends or family members. Hashtag Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah, hashtag LUDOS Clamor, and share, retweet, add to your stories, do whatever you like. Be spontaneous guys. And guys, I will be randomly picking 4 of you lucky beauties, so 1 a week in the coming 4 weeks. Okay guys, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. That's me done for now. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one guys, take care, stay safe, bye.